Hi, see me again with Ina from Crafty for Home. In this video, I will show you how to make beverage cozy holder. You can use it for your favorite drink on the bottle. And also you can use it for the soda can. To make beverage cozy holder, you just make one piece of rectangle fabric with the insulation inside and the velcro as the fastener. When it's ready, and you just roll the fabric cozy around the soda can or your favorite drink on the bottle. The pattern is also available on the Etsy store, and the link to the Etsy store is on the description below and also in the comment section. If you use the template, then trace the template on the fabric, batting and insole bright. Make a simple patchwork by pinning the small fabric strips on both long sides of the fabric for the front side, with the right side of all fabrics facing each other. Sew the fabric on both long sides. Flip the smaller strip up, then press it with the ironing machine. Sandwich all materials with this order: the fabric for the back with the right side facing up, the fabric for the front with the right side facing down, quilt batting, and insole bright insulation. Then pin it or use quilting clips. Make sure the batting and insole bright are in the middle of the fabric in between 1/4 inch seam allowance. Sew it all together and make sure you stitch it on the batting and skip the stitching 3 inches for the opening. Clip each corner to reduce bulk, then turn the cozy right side out and use the chopstick to push each corner. Press the cozy with the ironing machine, then top stitch the hem and close the opening at the same time. Sew the hook and loop on each shorter side of the cozy. The beverage holder cozy is ready to use now, and happy sewing!